the whole life world because in my table, I wanna make a
Okay.
Okay, so why is my best day? Because I love slime. I already 4 times or 3 times make a slime.
You gotta be
So
kidding me.
now the 4th, I think. I have slime glue. You read it? It's pink color. There is a golden a little bit. Glitter golden. And slime activator. We need this slime activator. You can use a water too, but I'm just gonna use slime activator. And a spoon, of course. And a bowl. I forget this. This must be the first. A bowl. And a glitter. I have so many choices. Glitter. So many colors. And now, let's open this first. And then, let's try to spin this first. Let's try. Look at it. It's so little. Okay, I'm gonna put all of them.
Wow.
Whoa! Put until it's very clean. Later, I'm continue this. Let's pour the activator first. Okay. I hope it's not too much. I don't know. Okay, just like that first. Okay, now let's mix it. Is it too many? Okay, mix it. It's so jiggle. It's so little bit. We need more. Somebody help me to squeeze it.
Sure, I'm your best dad.
You also don't have a power, I think. Okay, done. Thanks. Okay, so now let's mix it.
Have you tried this before?
I spilled. Okay. Oh my God, spilled. That's okay. I already made this actually 3 times. Now the 4th times. Yeah. I don't like watching people making a slime, but I like to make by myself. Is it okay like this?
Don't touch it, that's activator, that's not water, that's dangerous for your hand. Yes?
No, it's not. It's so sticky. No, it's too sticky. It's too sticky. I need more. Now let's mix it. Okay, now this is so hard to mix it now because it's almost done. It's so clean. Okay. It's almost done. Oh my God, I cracked the bowl. Oh my. I don't know, my power is too too big now. Just mix it well. Okay, now let's put in the table. Oh my god! The sound is so satisfying. It's almost finished. It's almost finished. Later, if I'm done. Later, I'm gonna put the glitter and the beads. Wait, I'm not show you yet the beads. Later, I'll show you the beads. But I don't want. I think it's too big for this time. I'm just gonna put a glitter. Okay. Now. Oh my god! Okay, it's done. Now let's play it, guys. I think this is a jiggle slime I made. I did it! Okay, now the fun part! We gotta put the glitter! Okay. I'm so sorry if I'm too happy today because this is my best day ever to make a slime, my favorite in the whole world. Okay, let's pick all this up. I picked this one first. The moon. Let's go. Just a little bit first. Woo! The moon sky, the moonlight. The texture, it's so good. It's so jiggle. And it's so stretchy. Not really stretchy, but the sound is so satisfying. And the color! I love the color. Let's make like ice cream. Okay, now let's put these up. Whoa, stick. Wow, guys. Look, I decorate with this. Look.
Very nice. Wow.
Now let's mix it. Oh, this is the best day ever. Thank you who buy this for me. My mom buy this for me actually.
Not your dad?
Never.
Not your dad?
No.
Oh, your dad is so kind to buy you many gifts.
Oh my god. Okay. My dad is lying. It's my mom who gave me this and I don't want it. And my mom buy it for me. I'm so happy.
Let's make a different kind of type of
Yeah, here.
things like poop. You making poop or you making
Here.
rock.
I want to make two. So one's glittery and one not really glittery. So I want to put this golden. I want to put this pink glitter. Okay. So this is this one first. This is later. And then we put the pink glitter, the moon, pink moon, and put it up. Ooh.
Nice one.
Yeah, of course.
I like it.
I make always nice. Okay, pink. And then another pink. Which one pink? Oh, this kind of glitter pink. It's purple, but that's okay. Okay. I spill it again. I don't know why I always spill it. I hope later is good. Pink. Wow, it's too nice. Okay, what else pink? Oh, stars. Stars pink. So hot. Golden. Oh no. Okay, after stars, this tea. Let's. Oh no, I'm scared to spill it. So please don't spill it. Look at this. This is the pink one.
Yay!
Look.
Nice. Very nice. Wow.
Now let's make the golden one. Ooh, I hope it's nice. We need this because it's golden. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. Now, the moon. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, guys, the pink and the golden is done. So this is the pink. Look at it.
Wow. What a beautiful
Shiny.
pink.
And I love the golden.
Wow. What a beautiful golden.
I love it so much.
Yeah, beautiful golden.
Now, let's mix it. First, the golden first. I hope it's okay. I hope it's nice. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. Wow, it's so golden. Look, guys, when we pull it. Okay, now later we mix together, okay?
Wow.
Sorry. Now let's mix it. Later we make a poop, ice cream, and what else? Okay. Mix it 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I mixed it. It's too satisfying. Wow, guys, this is too nice. This is too nice. Okay. glitter. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Wow, this is so glittery. Hi, everybody. So guys, so I want to make this smell as good, so I'm gonna use this lotion. The smell is so good. So good, so good. Okay, now let's put it just a little. Okay. I hope the smell is good. And it's not really sticky too. Better. Okay. I think too much glitter, so now I think it's so oily. Now let's mix it again. Put it here and open that. Up. Up. Come on. Why is only air? Oh, there we go. Much than we can. Okay, now let's mix it, guys, again. What happened to this? Okay, there we go. It's too oily, so I'm gonna mix it. Let's make our ice cream. Ice cream challenger. Ice cream chillin'. Ice cream challenger. Ice cream. Now, oh my god, I almost fall down. Is that an ice cream or a poop or a... It's actually still nice, actually. To make a slime is so easy. And when we play it, it's so fun. You can play it with your brother, with your sister. It's more fun you play it with your small brother or your small sister. And your mom is also fun. Or with your auntie. That's also fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like,